Hello and welcome to another video from flashcardsforkindergarten.com. In this video, I would like to introduce the occupation flashcards. The occupation flashcards come in a set of 37 different occupations, as well as this free poster. With the flashcards, you can teach the sentence pattern, what do you want to be? For example, I want to be a scientist, or I want to be an astronaut. Ask the children what they would want to be. Another sentence pattern which you can teach is, where does the chef work? He works at the restaurant. Or where does the police officer work? He works at the police station. If you would like these cards, as well as hundreds of other free flashcards and teaching materials, please visit flashcardsforkindergarten.com. Thank you.